So today we're diving into something pretty exciting. How to earn extra money after 50 without clocking in at a 9 to 5 feels like freedom, right?
Oh, absolutely, Carl. And let's be real. No one over 50 wants to be on their feet for 8 hours a day just to stay afloat. We want flexibility, not exhaustion.
Exactly. And now, with digital tools at our fingertips, it's not just possible, it's actually working for a lot of people. We're talking real income too.
Right? And the beauty is you don't have to create a product from scratch. There are these done for you digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses you can resell with full profit.
I love that. No shipping, no inventory, and the business runs even while you're off doing things you love, traveling, spending time with family.
One thing I hear a lot is, isn't digital marketing just for tech savvy 30-year-olds? What do you think?
That's such a common myth. Actually, older folks often make better digital marketers. They've got life experience, patience, and people skills.
And usually more time too. I mean, if you can spend 2 hours a day learning and posting, you're already ahead.
Totally. And it's not just theory. We've seen real stories. There's Maryanne, 63, RVing across the country, made over 200K in a year doing this.
That still blows my mind. And she started from zero, right? No business background.
Exactly. She just followed the blueprint, which is key, having a step-by-step guide so you're not guessing.
And that blueprint says is gold. And people are scared of selling. But digital marketing today isn't cold calling or knocking doors. It's content creation, sharing what you believe in.
Yep, and automation does most of the heavy lifting. Funnels, email sequences, they work 24/7 even while you sleep.
It's almost like planting seeds online. You water them for a few weeks and then they start growing even when you're not watching.
Good way to put it. And it fits the lifestyle needs of retirees. Less hustle, more strategy, more time for grandkids, hobbies, or just breathing.
And honestly, even with Social Security or a pension, it's just not enough anymore. Inflation has changed the game.
Yeah, and part-time jobs take so much time for so little return. This online model flips that: less time, higher potential.
And you're building something that can keep going. It's not like punching a clock. It's a small digital asset that keeps paying.
Exactly. It's about designing your retirement, not just surviving it. You don't have to settle anymore.
I think what holds people back is the fear. What if I can't do it? What if I'm too old? But look at Carrie, single mom recovering from cancer, and she made 200K in 10 months.
That story gave me chills. She didn't have an ideal situation. She needed a way forward, and she found it.
That's the thing. This isn't just for dreamers. It's for doers. Anyone who's willing to learn, follow a system, and take the first step.
And you don't even need your own idea. These done-for-you programs include the product, funnel, and training. You just plug in.
There's even community support, right? You're not sitting there alone wondering what to do next.
Exactly. You've got people helping you troubleshoot, answer questions, and cheer you on.
I think people underestimate the confidence boost this gives too. Creating your own income in your 60s, that's empowering.
100%. It turns, I hope I make it, into, I've got this. That shift alone changes how you approach everything.
So if someone's listening right now thinking, well, maybe this is for me, what's their first move?
I'd say grab the blueprint. Just start there. It lays everything out clearly, and then you decide if it's a fit.
No pressure, no hard sell, just information and possibilities.
And maybe a whole new future. It's not too late. You're not too old. That part is really important to remember.
Yeah, life doesn't end at 60. In fact, it might just be the beginning of the fun part, especially if you're finally in control.
So here's the question to leave you with. What would it feel like to wake up tomorrow knowing your income isn't tied to a clock or a boss?
Think about that and maybe take the leap. We'll catch you next time.